Hey fam, it's your Uncle Jonathan here, helping you live your best life. Now, today we are going to be making one of my signature dishes, Huli Huli jerk chicken. Now, what is Huli Huli jerk chicken? So, I found that I really love Jamaican jerk chicken, and when honeymooning in Hawaii, in Maui, 2013, I learned I also love Huli Huli chicken. And then I was doing some research on the ingredients, and it turns out they basically share a lot of the same base ingredients. So I created Huli Huli jerk chicken. I've been tweaking the recipe for months, and I think we've really hit it. So the first thing you need when you're making Huli Huli jerk chicken is to make your marinade. Alright, the first thing you need to make your marinade is the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now this is a signature ingredient to pretty much every style of jerk chicken, so we're going to put that in. Alright, you want five of those Scotch bonnet peppers. Then we've got roughly 8 scallions. You're not going to see that type of volume in my demonstration here. This is just for demonstration purposes, but follow my lead, definitely right around 8 scallions, a bunch of them. So in with the scallions. Okay, we're gonna do 5 cloves of ginger. All right, and then we have, now this is one of the Huli Huli chicken ingredients. This is, for our mashup, this is American ketchup, just standard plain old ketchup, and you're gonna do about 1/4 of a cup of that. We have 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Another key ingredient here, allspice. You can find it at your supermarket, or if you have access to the berries, I can grind it down, even better. But you're doing 2 tablespoons of allspice. Our dog is chiming in with his opinion. We've got 2 shallots here. All right, shallots add a lovely sweetness to the dish. We're gonna do roughly, let's see if I can, oh yeah, so if you're using dry thyme, you're gonna do basically 1 tablespoon. If you're using fresh, just 1/4 of a cup. And then we've got a 2-inch piece of ginger shaved here. Put that in. You're going to then do, there's my thyme. And then we've got the juice of 1 lemon, that'll go in there. And if you're gonna use lemon anyway, you might as well get the extra flavor boost of the zest. So we're gonna put the zest in there. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So that's going in. And then last but not least, the last thing we're doing to make it Huli Huli jerk chicken, the addition of the ketchup was one thing. The addition, instead of 2 limes, I actually switched it up, and we're gonna do 1 lime and then replace the rest of the acid with pineapple juice. All right, so then you, if you have your food processor, you mix it up or you whisk it up, like in this case, and eventually you put it on the chicken and you get something like amazing. Woo. All right, so now this is our marinated jerk chicken, Huli Huli jerk chicken. It's been marinating for 24 hours. I usually make the marinade the day before, and then I marinate it all night long. It's really helpful for allowing the marinade to penetrate the meat. Now, when you're making your marinade, be sure to reserve some on the side before you put any on the chicken, so that you can use it during the cooking process for mopping. Okay, so we've cleaned and prepped our grill. The coals are ready to go. This time I used 40 briquettes. I want the heat nice and high. I'm aiming for about 375 to 400 degrees, and then you want to preheat your grill pan for about 15 minutes. Okay, this grill is smoking hot, so we're gonna put the chicken on the grill. All right. Oh, you hear that? Hear the sizzle? Oh yeah. We've got 8 chicken legs here. So we're gonna give each of them a room for a little time alone on the grill. Not crowding anyone. And we're gonna be back in 5 minutes to do our first turn and to baste these. Okay, so I've turned all the rest of the pieces of chicken, but I've left one so you can see here. So you can see things are starting to caramelize nicely. All right, now we are going to mop with our reserved marinade. So it's kind of like a sauce now. All right. you are going to repeat this step. So every 5 minutes for 35 minutes, you're gonna repeat this step. You're gonna turn and baste, turn and baste. So 6 more times. We just finished our first turn. You'll do this 6 more times, and then we're gonna check for temperature and doneness. All right. Wow, look how amazing this is. Check out these incredible grill marks. Also, I learned, and I want to share with you, this is also a great opportunity to bring a probe thermometer into the picture, right? So, because you have different pieces of chicken, different sizes you're working with here. So yes, you can monitor on the grill as you go, but some may not need all 7 of those rotations that I told you in the previous step. So usually around step 5 or the 5th turn, I like to check it with a thermometer. Once you're in that 160 to 165 range, you're ready for that chicken to come off the grill, and then you let it rest for 5-10 minutes. All right, and that usually is just about the same amount of time it takes to put a beautiful plate of food together. As Uncle Jonathan always says, plate it pretty. All right, so here we've got our finished chicken. We've got some amazing coconut rice, goes great with any island style cuisine. We've got a lovely fruit salad with strawberries and mangoes, and some lovely grilled pita bread. All right, so combined it makes an amazing picture and an even better meal. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy cooking.